Why did you choose Plymouth College of Art?
I chose Plymouth College of Art because I came to the campus for an exhibition in secondary school when I did GCSE art, and I remember walking in and seeing some of the facilities and seeing the exhibition, and I really liked the feel of the college. Like it had a really nice community kind of aspect to it that I felt like immediately as I walked in, and I remembered thinking, I'm gonna study there one day. I didn't know what, and I didn't massively know like why, but I knew it was the right place for me.
So for me personally, something that I think is really, really important for a university is the atmosphere, the people, and the real community that goes behind what they do. Anywhere can have some great facilities, anywhere can have great teachers, but it's really important that the whole unit works together as a whole, and that every single part of the university is really geared towards making the students feel like they're at home and that they can change things. Because if there's a really rigid schedule, there's a really rigid way of looking at things, I think that inhibits people's opportunities to learn. And that's something that PCA really does excel in, is helping everyone find their own groove, helps tailor the course to you a little bit more, and everyone's really helpful and friendly.
I really wanted to do both photography and film, but I wasn't able to kind of like decide between them because I didn't know if there was a course that would include both of them until I came past DMP. And before DMP, I was in Plymouth Uni and I loved it there very much, but there were some aspects that were missing. So in Plymouth College of Art, I decided to go there because it is very industry-based, and I feel like it's a great advantage that the classes are smaller because it enables you to have more time with the teachers and the tech dems, so you're able to get kind of like more questions out and answers and kind of progress quicker in that way.
I chose Plymouth College of Art because the facilities are amazing. For me, a big thing was the software and hardware that they had, because my course is very digital, almost entirely digitally based, and they had all the software in the world, Photoshop, 3ds Max, ZBrush, so there was all access to everything, and the hardware is great. We've got wonderful drawing tablets, which is great fun. The other thing was the open days. All of the essays were, like student ambassadors, were so lovely, and everyone is so welcoming and chatty. I'm now an SA, so I always make sure that on an open day that I can relay that experience to people, because it can be, a deciding factor, and I want to give the impression that you will have a good time here, because you will.
I chose Plymouth College of Art because it's a specialist art university, so I wanted to be studying with like-minded people who had similar creative interests as me.